Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Darren Leadfoot racer from Cars 3. So, on the front you see Darren Leadfoot, Piston Cup logo, Darren, he looks happy. On the back you see all the cars that's in the series with him. There's Speedy Comet, Punchy Wipeout, and Darren. You see the picture from when McQueen got beaten by Storm first time. And that's it. So I'm going to open this guy up and we'll see you then. So let's review this guy. You see his black rims, his green paint job. His sponsors are Piston Cup. This camera will focus. It will show you. Sponsors are Piston Cup, Vitaline, Revolting, RPM, Nitro Weight, Octane Gain, and Clutch Age. Shiny Wax. His number is 82. On the back, you see Shiny Wax and like the little camera. Other side's basically the same. Some of the cars have these red arrows on the bottom. I don't know why. I probably do know why. I just not at the moment. Roof bars in the back, Shiny Wax on the front, 82 on the top. Now, looking at this diecast makes me realize why Disney didn't want McQueen just to be a normal stock car, because these guys are kind of flat and just not very detailed. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 350 by the beginning of next year, so if we can hit that, cool. If we can't, well, that's a shame. So, I will see you guys next time.